All right, so I've always needed an extra tool bench. I have this one, but it's constantly full of clutter. So I've always been thinking I want to add a tool bench here, but I don't want it to permanently stick out and take up the space because that's where I usually store my bike when I have my Corvette in here. So I wanted to make something that would stay tight against the wall and fold out. So I found these on Facebook Marketplace, and these is a folding bracket for a workbench. For a tabletop, I went with a 2 foot by 4 foot piece particle board, but I didn't want this strictly just exposed to whatever I'm working on. So I also bought 2 sheets of galvanized sheet metal that I'm going to use adhesive and attached to the top of that.
Oh damn, oh damn, oh damn, oh damn. You know Gucci let it blam, and he pass it to his man. Got a batting glove on, he don't hold it in his hand. And he throw it out the window and just leave it where it land. Or he throw it in the water, make him dig it out the sand. Hey, scratched out the cereal, we call that shit a Cheerio. And then they taking clothes off and bleaching that material, I'm gone. Hey, they be wishing death on me like 50 said. Many men, many men. Trust me, there's a ton of them. I should probably be in there with thugging them or be in there with gunning them. If they locking niggas up for growing up around some...
Now I need to find a way to attach the board to these brackets. What I'm thinking is I want to bolt it in. However, I can't have the head of the bolt sticking up past this table.
Hitters trying to govern them or building something from the bottom with your brothers down. Hey, J Skull get hot here, oven head. Hey, spend some bands, but I never fall in love again. When it's not enough for me, I like to be petty about it. Dropping #1, and when it's done, I just forget about it. Oh, you think you know what happened cause you read about it. Oh, give me a head and don't get in your head about it. Crisp Night Force is the only time I force it. I told her get a bag and some shoes and some more shit. She heard I got a girl and I bought her even more shit. Don't tell me what you heard if you can't tell me who the source is. I had a 6 sense at 21. How the fuck did the 6 let in 21? Older women always told me I was 1 of 1. She was 30 when we sexed, I was 21. I be talking to the DA like that nigga dumb, but you be talking to the DA like yeah he the one. You almost 50 but you rapping like you're 21. Where the fuck they do that at aside from where you from? Hey, keep fucking these niggas up. Oh damn, oh damn, oh damn.
All right, so this is not exactly the finished product. I still need a way of securing the lip under there, and you can see I got a little bit of lifting here. So I'll probably need some more adhesive, and I can just run it down on the inside lip there. Overall, it's pretty secure on there. I don't want to try picking it up. It feels all right. You know, it's not really going anywhere. It's kind of more to hold it down than anything. And let's see. Oh. So when I want to go use it, and boom.